Hello. Hello. Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And you too as well.
Yeah. Can I just say thank you for coming? How exciting.
Yeah, well, look at the faces there. It's a dream come true.
Drum roll. Do you want a chicken roll?
Yeah, and then maybe when it's done, you can have one sort of like.
Just doing my job,
wow.
Thank you for the invite.
Oh, that's class.
That's it, brilliant.
It was a rough night.
I love that.
Thank you very much.
It's no pleasure.
That is brilliant.
Yeah. Wait, are you ready then? Camera!
Great. Fantastic.
Now, so no swearing, right?
Okay.
You ready yet?
That's a spitting image, that is fair.
Wrinkles and all.
Perfect, eh? Are you ready then?
Look at that face.
Look at it. Like looking in the mirror, innit?
Have you been in the garden?
No.
Follow me now on a mission of soup. Walk with me.
Where are we going, Steve?
We're going to Grangetown Kitchen Garden. We're in it, but we're now going to deliver some soup.
Are you ready for this then? I love that insect house. Fantastic. Here we go.
Good, that is.
Good one, innit? You ready then? Here we go.
It's good though.
It's alright, yeah. Look at that, it's perfect. Ready for this then?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. You like that then?
Yeah, it's good.
Fantastic. Okay. You ready then?
Oh yeah, nice. Oh, you've been flattering.
Not bad, is it?
Beautiful.
You look like a boy band.
Lovely.
Cracking in here.
That's good.
Oh, that ain't perfect, eh?
That's terrible.
That's great, isn't it? Are you ready for this then? Are we on this then?